if you want to change home screen wallpaper on Samsung Galaxy S26, first of all, we need to open Settings. Over here in Settings, we're gonna go to the Wallpaper and Style. In here, we can tap on Change Wallpapers. And now we can choose the wallpaper that you wish to set. Of course, we have some of the featured options in here. We have some AI options as well, graphical and colors. And you can also tap on Get More Wallpapers in order to find some custom ones. In my case, I'm just gonna use a photo from my gallery. Let's say I'm gonna choose this one over here, and let's tap on Done. Now, since we want to change it for the home screen, I'm gonna uncheck the lock screen over here, so only home screen is going to be affected. And then go Next. Now we should be able to also zoom in and zoom out in the case of a custom wallpaper and move it around to adjust the position. At the bottom of the screen you have some additional effects that you can check out, but once you are ready to use the wallpaper, tap on the Done in the upper right corner. Leave a like and subscribe.